Hey, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily apply supplier credit on QuickBooks. So, all you have to do is head over to QuickBooks and, of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel, just click on the New button. Then, under the Suppliers section, just click on Supplier Credit. So from here, all you have to do is fill in all the details, starting with the supplier. Choose the appropriate supplier. Then next is choose the payment date. And in the category details section, just fill in by choosing a category and also enter in the amount and the tax if applicable. Then once done, you have an option to save or save and close. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!